Hello friends, this is the mobile application which I am using here, and this is the Excel sheet which I have downloaded from the Play Store. And today we are going to learn the differences between the date. Okay, here I have taken the example of date of birth of X person, Y person, and Z person. These are the corresponding date of birth and the current date. Here, in order to get the current date, I have taken the formula as today. So we have our aim is to find out the year, number of years, and number of months, and number of days, and total age. It in the form of if example is 26 years is the total number of years, then months is for that year, that month, what is a month. 26 years 4 months 6 days, like that it should be the total age. But if the month is there, then the total month, overall months since he born, then the overall days since he born, and the age, what is his age. Okay, so get it. Let's get that one. So I put the equal sign here. This is the floating, I have changed it. Just put the equal to dated if. You have to take the formula as dated if, DATEDIF. It will not come automatically, you have to manually type it. Open the bracket, then the start date, afterwards end date is here, current date. Then what the format year we want to get, so under double quote you have to type y. That's it, simple. Okay, just press enter. So this is the format. If this format is not correct, then you have to change it to according to your format by changing the format here. See, this is a number format is there. Here we can change it to the date format also, so it look like that one. But we not require that here. That the number will be general in the number format only. Okay, now we can drag this one. We can drag it, fill, and then you have to drag it. Since the error is coming here, why? Because this a1 a column first row we need to fix it actually. So here we need to fix the row. In order to fix the row, we will use a dollar sign. Edit this one, then we will use a dollar sign. In order to fix the column, this will fix the column, and the if you put the dollar in front of first, it will fix the row. So a column is fixed here because we have put a dollar beside that, and first row is fixed here. Then you press enter. Now you fill it, it will not come wrong. Okay, so it will come properly. Again, if you want to check the total months, we will fill that one. This we have to change it to the this b3 only, b3, and here we have to just simply put this m, enter. Okay, same thing for this one. Fill, drag, then change it to b3, and this is the number of days, d. Okay, right? If you want to know how many years and how many months and how many days, particularly for 26 years 4 months 6 days, like that it should be. So here we have to add a word called year of months, then it will be show the 4 months after 26 years. Okay, then after 4 months how many days, then here month of dates. That's it, 6 days, 26 year 4 months 6 days. And in this we have to concatenate it, and then we have to show it at once. Okay, but we not required that, so we can drag this one below, drag it. Okay, now we have to show this as 26 years, then how the 4 months 6 days was there, na, that we have to make it. See here we can add the formula, or we can just simply copy paste this one, Datedif, whatever is there, Datedif, and then you paste it here, paste. Okay, after that you concatenate, you just type and sign. In order to add the two things, we have to use and sign, and then you same thing, you copy and paste it here. Okay, this time you have to change it to the year of months, that is nothing but m, we have to add it, then press enter. So 26 years 4 months, and sign again one more time, copy it, then paste it here. You have to change it as a month of days, enter. So 26 years, 4 months and 6 days it is, but it should be look like in the pleasing manner. So we have, what we have to do, we have to add after 26 year y, we can add after 4th months, that is m sign, and 6 after 6 days we can add. So we can one more add it here, that is after in the double quotes we have to do y. So in order to separate it, put a dash, okay, and then one more time, and we have to use. So like that we can do it for copy, paste it, do it for months also, m, this is m, and this is for the day also, it is and. Now to keep the day, d is a capital D, okay, right. So we can simply say this is the formula, overall formula. Don't worry, I will keep this formula in the description box so that you can also copy paste, fill it, the total, right. Clear about this one? Thank you very much, take care, bye.